These are my 3 favorite creative mode blocks. First, we have the automatic stuffing dispenser because it's really annoying to get stuffing through the normal dispensers. So this will make it one less thing for your players to do if you want to make a good map. Number 2 is the 8x8 block. This is so good for floors and walls because it's really big, and also it's a square, so it looks good either way. My next favorite is the item dispenser because you can put literally any item in it. Let's say explosive bombs, and then you can put a button and then it will pop out.